Alright, check me out, man. Welcome to the Ugly T-Shirt Company official screen printing page. Today, we're gonna do a job for my homeboy Blue Ribbon. It's gonna be a 2-color front, 1-color back with all the next side stamps. I'm gonna show y'all how we do it from square A to square Z. Y'all walk with us.
Run.
We're gonna get this sample, man. Stop playing with it. Get the OG, get the OG. Stop playing. Alright, first things first. Before you think about getting your merchandise created, you gotta get your art created and separated. This piece of art was already provided to us by the client. All we did was size it and separate it. So it's a 2-color front, 1-color back, and all the next side stamps. So now that we got it all separated and ready in Illustrator in vector format, then we spit it out on a film. All right, so first color out, now I'm gonna show y'all the second set. So we put it on file, print, output down so the ink will be down, and then we print. That's the real plug there, man. So now, after this gets printed on a film, then we get ahead and run and make your screens. So just chill, check me out. Let's go. Don't get it twisted. That's for our cut and sew, to put the patches, to put the sleeves, to put the, whatever we need sewn on. Stop playing with it. Get the upholstery, we do upholstery. All right, let's go. Check it out. Art is prepped, seps are out, size is already good. Now the next step is to prep your screens that we're gonna need to burn this on. Walk with me. All right, check it out, man. I had to recheck the drip, man, because branding is key. You heard me? If we're gonna do it, we're gonna do it for Ugly T-Shirt. Get my sneakers, stop playing, man. And shout out to Ace's Jewelry, man. Look, we got our 3 screens here ready for coating, okay? Now, the key to coating a proper screen is your trough. This is what they call a trough. It has to be razor sharp and clean. We're using the Aquasol HV Blue Emotion. Check it out. Now, get your screen. I do 2 on one side, 2 on the other side, but the last hit has to be on the inside. So when you let it dry, the emotion dries under it and not on your print side. So let's go. Make sure it's together. First coat. Make sure it hits. Second coat on one side, flip it around. Then you do your 2 slow on the inside. Make sure you hear it scrape. Second one. It's usually 2 and 2, but last one just to be on the safe side, nice and slow. And there you have it. Coat the screen. Now we set it to dry. Screens are coated and they have to be let to sit and dry. It takes about an hour and a half for them to properly dry. But take notes to this. After you coat your screen, it's really important to clean your trough or your scooper. Clean it to the T, because anything that's left on there is gonna stay and dry, so when you coat the next time, it's gonna leave a mark on your screen, and you don't need that. So clean that, yeah. All right, now look, while that's drying, we got about an hour and a half to kill, but I'm gonna show y'all some of these prototypes that we got coming out that we didn't mass produce yet. So y'all check me out. And remember, branding is key, man. Branding is key. You gotta get the back of that. Stop playing with them. This shit for real, man. Let's go. All right, it's been an hour and a half. Screens are dry. Now it's time to burn. I'm gonna show y'all step by step how we do it here, how we line it up, put it in the exposure unit, and then let it go. Walk with me. All right, look, for the people who always tell me, Chico, teach me about the lineup. I'm real simple with it. Some people have registration marks, some people don't. I just find my center mark on my board here and then I line it up. This screen is 24 inches wide, so I look for my center in every screen and I line it up per screen. That's the way we do it, or I do it. Yeah. Once everything's taped in, then we put it in the exposure unit and we expose it for the exact time that we need it per screen. All right? Locked in. Let's start. Yeah, walk with me. Alright, so now we're burned. Everything got exposed properly. Now we gotta wash it out. So take your film off and go to the wash out. Alright, check me out. Screens are burned and dried. Now we gotta let them, fully dry so we can tape it up and set it up. And then we go from there. Y'all walk with us. Alright, screens are dry. Now it's time to tape up. I'm gonna show y'all how I tape it up. So it's really important to cover up all the sides so no ink will seep through your screens. Alright, screens are taped up, set up, ready to go. We're gonna start with the neck stamps first. Now I'll show you the shirts. The client, Blue Ribbon, ordered next level blanks, which are, to me, the Mercedes-Benz of t-shirts. Shirts are laid out and counted. Now we're gonna start by printing each shirt by each size. So we're gonna start with small. All right, I got my smalls. I got the small set up perfectly, a ½ an inch from the edge. Now I'm gonna turn the shirt inside out and load it perfectly to my center marks on the pallet. So we're gonna load that perfect to the T. Now we hit. A smooth stroke. You don't have to put too much because it's a neck stamp. Smooth, that's it. Check us out, man. Stop playing with us. Alright, neck stamps are done. Small through XXL. Take a glance. We'll leave the original tags on so the client can either rip it off and sew in his own. This was printed with viscosity reducer in the ink, so when you print it, it's like soft on it as opposed to the front of it. So side stamps are done. Now we go to the front. Everything's prepped up. Now we slap our ink in so I can get everything lined up. Flash dry that, line the second color up, show you in a prototype, and then we'll keep it rolling. All right, purple was set up, flash dried. I've set up my white. Now we're gonna hit the first color. Once we hit this, we send it off under the flash so it can flash dry it, so we can apply the second color on top of it. All right, that should be dry in about 15 to 20 seconds, and you proceed to the next color. This is the second color. White was already applied twice to make it nice and bright. Now we're gonna do the same with the purple. Gotta flood it. Get a clean stroke. Put it under the flash. Both colors were hit. White was hit twice, purple was hit once, and flash dried. So when we hit the second purple, it'll be nice and vibrant. So, flood and a nice clean stroke with angle, slow, so you can cover every inch of the design. Boom, that's the final product. Front is done. Now we take it and put it in the dryer nice and flat. Putting it in the dryer is key. You want to put it flat. Front is done. Now we go to the back. Y'all go ahead and like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below so I can show y'all, different pointers. If you have a certain question about the screen printer, y'all let me know and we handle it for y'all. Yeah. You always want to let your image come out of the dryer. Don't pull it and rush the curing process. Now once it's fully out, then you examine it. Definitely hitting, man. Stop playing with Blue Ribbon. Let's go. 2-color front, purple and white are done. Check me out. Next. All right, papi. 2-color purple and white fronts are done. Next move, we gotta set up the backs, do a sample, show the client. Walk with me. Backs is set up, 1-color back. Prototype is in, we're gonna shoot. Put it under the flash dry it, and hit it one more time so we can make it vibrant. First hit applied, flash dried so it can be dry to the touch. Now second hit is gonna make it nice and vibrant. Angle with light pressure, and here we go, Blue Ribbon. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Ribbon job is done. All right, people, the Blue Ribbon job is done. 2-color front with next side stamps, 1-color back. The job has been QC'd and is ready for the client. Ugly T-shirt company, man, stop playing with us. If you ain't here, you're nowhere. All right, Ugly T-shirt company's first video. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we wrapping it up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to wrap it up. The 2-color front, 1-color back for Blue Ribbon job is done with individual neck stamps. Take notes. And for my future printers or inspiring screen printers, please let me know what is it that you guys want to learn that we can explain to you guys, okay? For more content, y'all like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Ugly T-shirt company, Chico the Don, yeah.